Okay, so this project is called Bayside Consulting. And so here we're going to just play around with this chart a little bit. First, we're going to start by getting a recommended chart with some data. So we'll go there. And then once you do that, we'll go to Insert, and then let's go to Charts. And this is of course on a Mac, so it might look different on yours. And then right here it'll show you like clustered. So we're gonna go ahead and put a clustered chart. Boom. And this will be the cluster chart that it wants. And basically once you have it here, you also have the option to switch the data, like all the information. So if you wanted to switch it like a different way, like if you wanted to show, for instance, the locations here and then the amount here, you just go right here to switch row column. So boom, and then it'll show it like that. But it just really depends on how you want it, and that's pretty much it.